Hi guys, I'm running around. Clearly didn't have time to take my sunglasses off and put my other eyeballs on, but I ran in because Serena came today, and I, like so many of you all, am very excited. I collected teddy bears when I was growing up, and so I was really excited about her, so I wanted to open it with y'all. Oh my goodness. Is that the cutest bear or what? Oh, she's wonderfully soft. And this minky though, look at that. That is full on minky fabric. You wanna see something cute? Look at that patch that matches. Those little details make all the difference in the world. She is absolutely darling. Y'all need one, and everyone you know. Have a great weekend and enjoy. Go ahead and let me know how many you want.